Turbine blades endure extreme conditions, constant heating and cooling that causes them to twist, warp, and change shape over time. Traditionally, repair meant manual grinding, a time-consuming process that relies entirely on human precision. But there's a better way. With our adaptive machining technology, we measure the actual part directly in the CNC machine, capturing every deviation from the original design. Our software automatically adapts the cutting toolpath to match the part's exact profile, no matter how warped or deformed it has become. The result? Precision repair, every time. Automated, consistent, and reliable.